Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Kalekar. Today's bio topic is encapsulation in the Java. Encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that refers to the bundling of data and methods that operates on that data within a single unit, which is also called as class in the Java. Encapsulation is a way of hiding the implementation details of a class from outside access and only exposing a public interface that can be used to interact with the class. Encapsulation is defined as the wrapping up of the data under a single unit. It is a mechanism that binds together the data it manipulates. Some advantages of encapsulation is that first one is a data hiding. It is a way of restricting the access of our data members by hiding the implementation details. Encapsulation also provides a way for data hiding. The user will have no idea about the inner implementation of the class. It will not be visible to the user how the class is storing values in the variables. Second one is increased flexibility. We can make the variables of the class read only and write only depending on our requirements. If we wish to make the variables read only, then we have to omit the setter methods like a set name, set age, etc. If we wish to make the variables write only, then we have to omit the get methods like a get name or get age, etc. Third one is reusability. Encapsulation also improves the reusability and is easy to change with the new requirement. Now we discuss the advantages of encapsulation in the Java. So the encapsulation improves security of an object internal state by hiding it from the outside world. Encapsulation enables the data abstraction, allowing object to be treated as a single unit. Encapsulation allows for easy addition of the new methods and fields without affecting the existing code. Now we are discussing the disadvantages of encapsulation in the Java. So encapsulation leads to increased complexity, especially if not used properly. Encapsulation make it more difficult to understand how the system works. And final is the encapsulation may limit the flexibility of the implementation. That's all about the encapsulation.